In this report, I'll share how I make money with my hobby, and you can too. I get paid to do my hobby on the internet. My hobby is teaching people how I retired early and travel the world. About 2 months ago, I shared that I was making $4,000 a month doing my hobby online. I also said I would develop a course teaching how to make money online with your hobby if enough of you expressed interest. Well, you did. I have some good news about that. Today, the course is live. I've started creating that course. It's called the Hobby Income Course. I've already posted the first 2 lessons. I'll be adding about 1 new lesson per week until the course is complete. There'll be about 9 lessons when I'm done. So you can take 1 new lesson per week and do the homework to get your hobby live online. As a thank you to my paid subscribers, I'm giving you the course for free. During the course development, you'll also maintain access to the course so long as you remain a member monthly or lifetime. It's my way of thanking you for making all of my dreams come true. Getting paid to do my hobby is a dream come true for me, and you've made that possible. So in deep gratitude and appreciation, I'm giving you, my paid subscribers, access to my course, gratis, nada, zip, free, on the house. Thank you so much for supporting my dreams. Now I want to return the favor. I want to support your dreams by teaching you how to make money online doing your hobby. I was doing my hobby for over 10 years before it started making me money. I wasn't even trying to make money with it. I was just enjoying it. I was paying for everything myself. I left the USA in 2007. I've lived in or visited over 65 countries so far in my life. But until this year, my hobby of world travel was costing me money. I was a regular guy doing an online job and using my salary to pay for my world travels. No more. Now my hobby pays for my life. Imagine how great that feels. Now I get paid to do my hobby. I no longer have a regular remote job doing someone else's bidding. I no longer use my salary to pay for my travel expenses. If you follow us, you know that Chung and I budget less than $2,000 a month for living expenses. We're able to live a beautiful life on that much money in paradise locations all over the world. In many countries, we live on substantially less than that. That $2,000 used to come from my online job, mostly. That's no longer true. For a few months now, my hobby income has been producing more than we budget for traveling the world. In June 2020, I received $838 from YouTube and $3,107 in paid memberships to my hobby webpage. In July 2020, I received $1,296 from YouTube and $3,644 in paid memberships on my hobby webpage. And in August 2020, I received $1,358 from YouTube and $2,997 in paid memberships on my hobby webpage. So my hobby income of $3,945 in June, $4,939 in July, and $4,355 in August have exceeded my expenses for several months in a row now. That's why I decided to give my existing paid subscribers my hobby income course for free. I want to say thank you. You've given me a life where I'm paid to do what I love most. So I couldn't be more grateful. The course will teach you how I turn my hobby into income and why I believe it would work for hundreds of other hobbies too. So if you complete my course, do everything I say, you might also be able to quit your job and do only your hobby someday. I can't guarantee that my ideas will work for everyone, but wouldn't it be great if it did? My life has been simplified this year. With my hobby income exceeding my living costs, I just do what I love now. I don't commute, and I'm not just a cog in someone else's dreams now. It's just me and my hobby now. I get up every day and live my hobby income dream now. So what do you do if you want to take the hobby income course, but you're not yet a paid subscriber? Or to my webpage. For a limited time, I'll allow new paid subscribers into the hobby income course. You'll get all of the other benefits of a paid subscriber plus access to the hobby income course, so long as you remain a paid member, and you'll be allowed to take the course. If this video is still up, then you can still join and complete the course while you retain your membership. If you're already a current paid member of Vagabond Buddha, you already have access to the course. Go ahead and get started here. Link provided on the webpage. Just click the link below this YouTube video to get the webpage that has the link to the course. If you're not yet a paid member, I have some homework for you to do to catch up with the others. You see, the existing paid members already know the functionality of our membership webpage. So as I teach them how to use my templates to set up their webpage and their YouTube channel, they'll know why what I'm teaching is important. So here is the new paid member homework, so you'll understand why you're being asked to set up certain templates in the hobby income course lessons. Follow these steps before starting the course. Okay, first, get a copy of my free ebook, link provided. Download and skim the free ebook and read the introductory emails I send you over the next 5 days. When we teach email capture and email campaigns, you'll know why. 2, view my video sales letter, link provided, completely by clicking the buy button at the bottom of the video sales letter. 3, after joining as a paid member, download a few ebooks and skim them. 4, watch a few videos on my YouTube channel and click the link in the notes below a few YouTube videos to see how my blog post chunks have embedded YouTube video chunks, so you'll understand the functionality. You must see this interaction with my webpage and YouTube channel in order to appreciate the software structure my course teaches you how to use. You'll understand how the templates I provide you in the course will allow you to just plug your hobby into them and go live with your personal hobby each step of the way. This course will work your fanny off, but you may have a new life when it's all said and done. Thanks again for making my dreams come true. Now let's get to work on your dreams. This is Dan of Vagabond Awake, the YouTube channel for vagabondbuddha.com. Please remember to like, comment, or subscribe. The world is your home. What time will you be home for dinner?